Hello there. This is the rear ballast that we built for our B2601. And I got the idea from It's About Making, Not Buying. He built a very nice one out of a steel tank. Now I made ours out of a water softener tank. And the main tank that you see there is actually the protective cover of the water softener tank. And the little tank that you see in the back, that's the water softener tank. With the two tanks together, it's about 800 pounds. And I'll take you in and show you what I did here. That's old signpost material that I just buried into the tank before I put the concrete in. And the little piggyback tank is just chained on, so that comes off very easily. And where I attach the quick hitch to, that's an old curl bar I had from years ago. But we live on quite a hilly property, so I wanted to be able to keep the weight as low as possible. And this I can have it so it's just about touching the ground. And I have a third tank that I can add in that would give me about 1,150 pounds. But I haven't felt the need. Anyway, if this can help somebody, that would be great. Take care.